This is the motorcycle backpack. Currently outside, there's no other power source than the backpack. Gonna have my daughter plug the phone in. First, show me that there's no power in the phone. Let's see the phone. It's completely off. I'll plug it in. And it just powered up. And that's coming. Have a power wire coming out of here, going down to the phone. Unplug it, and it goes off. The phone is completely dead. Plug it again. Try to be still. And it just powered up. Unplug it. And this is a solar power backpack. Got two panels on it. One at the very top, a 30-degree angle, one in the back. Both of them are connected to a power bank which stores the power.